Are you getting error code CE-107891-6 while installing a game or update on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Manage the PSN console storage. The CE-107891-6 error on the PlayStation 5 typically occurs when there is an issue copying or installing a game or update from an external drive to the internal SSD. So the first thing you can do is check the storage and clear some space. To uninstall games or apps on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Method 2. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 3. Reinstall the content. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. In extreme cases, deleting and re-downloading the game can fix the issue. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 4. Check for updates. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Outdated system version can also cause the game to crash. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 5. Contact support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code CE-107891-6 on a PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.